How are you doing, folks? I know it's exciting. It's spring. In fact, it is summer. And if you're looking for some more fantastic days, you don't have to wait till your parents are on vacation to use their house or wait till your buddy calls them to use their house. You can think about this house right here, 34 Hudson on a quiet crescent. And if you like what you've seen so far, I think you'll like for me to show you some more. So welcome to your wide open front foyer with storage here for the coats. Now, if you're looking for some more storage, we also have one heck of a cubby in the back there for the whole team. You could also use it as an office space. So I think you're noticing some updates, but if you want to see some more, I think you'll really enjoy this open concept main floor. There's no wall here, that's removed. If you want prep space for all your friends to cook those delicious suppers, we have some more of that right here too. How about granite countertops? Natural light, come on people, from both sides. You will love the hardwood staircase making its way up to the top floor. There's a primary bedroom with ensuite privilege to a large master. But if you're looking for some more bedrooms for family or friends, we have two more, one currently used as an office. So if you're looking for some more places to unwind, might I encourage you to visit this finished basement with nice lookout windows and also offering access to a full renovated bathroom in this basement. And there's also some more places to store your things in the crawl space underneath the front foyer, plus there's also a cold room too. Now there's even some more relaxing options in this covered back deck. But if you want more options, we have sun and shade options on this deck too, as you're open to the sun out here overlooking your huge fenced and private rear yard. So if you're looking for some more information on this fantastic home at 34 Hudson Crescent, reach out to me, Watty, Chestnut Park.